Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing some basics in animation using Photoshop, and we're going to show that using a ball, animating a ball on a path line. As you can see here, this is my guideline and this is the path that the ball is going to follow, and these are my frame lines. These are where the frames are going to go. This is where I'm going to draw the ball. So the more frames you have, the slower and the smoother the animation. So at the top of each arc, the ball is going to slow up and the ball is going to speed up at the bottom of the actual arc. So that's why I have the frames opening up as it gets towards the bottom of each arc. So as you can see, the ball slows and eases as it gets around the arc. It speeds up when the frames are more spaced apart. The more frame lines, the slower and the smoother the animation. Just keep that in mind as you're animating different objects. Where do you want your animation to speed up, and where do you want your animation to have a slower pace? Now I'm going to animate a ball bouncing just straight up and down, and it's the same process. I want the ball to slow up as it goes to the top, speed up when it gets down to the bottom. So I'm going to add more frames as the ball gets higher. Now I'm going to add a little color just to kind of separate the object from the background, and I'm just using a video layer, which is one layer that I can just paint each frame with. So it goes frame by frame, but it's just one layer that I'm actually painting on. It just makes it easier for me. Now I'm going to add a little effects on the ball just to kind of exaggerate movement. Little movement lines, almost like the ball is wet and is leaving behind a trail of whatever's inside the ball. Maybe it's some kind of water or juice that the ball squishes out when it hits the ground. So that's what I'm adding here. And as you can see, once you complete the animation, it looks like the ball maybe soaked with some kind of liquid. And there you go. This is just some basics in animation in Photoshop. More to come soon.